Hello everyone, welcome to the Astro Vastu Show. I am Vaishali and today we are going to talk about very powerful and sensitive direction in Vastu Shastra, the east-south-east direction. This zone is known as churning zone, the zone of deep thinking, right decision making and mental processing. If this direction is balanced, it helps you to take the right decision at the right time, build strong reputation in society, increase credibility and authenticity, strengthen the trust people have in you, improve your social status. But if this direction is disturbed, it can create anger, anxiety, overthinking, confusion in decisions, stress related health issues. So now let's understand how to balance it properly. East southeast is falls in between east and southeast. This direction is connected to the air element. So it needs lightness, movement, and freshness. Best color for east southeast is green, light green, creamy shades, but avoid heavy, dark, or dull tones here. And very important, do not use red color in this direction. Too much red energy here can disturb air element and may lead to health issues like diabetes over time. To enhance positive energy in this zone, you can place a brass Kamdhenu here. Kamdhenu represents abundance, purity, and divine blessings. It helps in enhancing reputation, strengthening trust, building credibility, supporting right decision making, but keep it clean and respectfully placed. This is actually the best direction to keep your laundry machine because it supports movement and churning energy just like washing clothes. So if you have your washing machine here, that's absolutely fine. Now pause and check your home. Is anyone sleeping in east-southeast direction regularly? Are you keeping someone's clothes or clutter here? Sleeping in east-southeast direction can increase irritation, short temper, anxiety. Keeping clothes dumped here can block decision making clarity. If you notice this, remove clutter. Do not use it as a storage dump zone. Keep it light and clean. When east-southeast direction is balanced, people trust your words. Your decision look confident. Your image becomes strong. Your authenticity increases. East-southeast direction plays a major role in how society perceives you. So if you are facing work politics, reputation issues, people doubting you, decision confusion, check your east-southeast direction immediately. Balance this zone and you will see the clarity, calmness and respect growing naturally in your life. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to the Astro Vastu Show. See you in the next direction, the southeast direction, which is very powerful direction for your cash flow. Thank you. Radhe Radhe.